Tammy Slaton, the breakout reality star of TLC's hit series 1000 LB Sisters, has faced an overwhelming number of personal challenges in the public eye, from life-threatening health battles to emotional struggles with relationships and identity. But in recent weeks, the spotlight has turned toward someone else in her orbit, her girlfriend. After months of speculation and hushed whispers online, shocking mug shots of Tammy's new romantic partner have resurfaced, igniting a storm of controversy, concern, and curiosity among fans of the show. These mug shots, now circulating widely across social media and celebrity gossip platforms, tell a deeply complicated story of the woman Tammy has welcomed into her life. The revelations have left many wondering, who exactly is this mystery woman, and how much do we really know about her past? The resurfaced mug shots reveal a tumultuous legal history involving multiple charges ranging from petty theft to drug possession. The photos, dated back as far as 2015 and as recent as 2021, offer a visual timeline of a person who appears to have faced significant challenges with the law. Though Tammy has not directly responded to the resurfaced images, several anonymous sources close to the production team of 1000 LB Sisters have confirmed that the woman in question is, indeed, the same person who has been seen with Tammy on and off social media in recent months. The couple first sparked dating rumors earlier this year when Tammy posted a since-deleted TikTok video of the two laughing together, their body language hinting at more than just friendship. In the weeks that followed, eagle-eyed fans tracked various online interactions between the two, shared photos, exchanged comments, cryptic captions, painting a picture of a growing romance. But as quickly as the romance seemed to blossom, public scrutiny followed. With Tammy's celebrity status ever on the rise, her new partner's criminal history has become a talking point for fans and critics alike. Fans of the show are no strangers to Tammy's turbulent love life. From her relationship with the controversial Jerry Sykes, who was still legally married while courting her, to the emotional rollercoaster with ex-husband Caleb Willingham, Tammy's romantic entanglements have always been under the microscope. Each of these relationships brought its own set of complications, but none have stirred quite as much social media chaos as this current one. What sets this situation apart is not just the resurfaced mug shots, but the broader implications they bring, both for Tammy personally and for her age professionally. Public opinion has become divided. On one hand, there are loyal fans who insist Tammy deserves to love whomever she chooses, regardless of their past. They argue that her own journey of redemption and transformation, from battling obesity and addiction to surviving a near-death medical scare, has been one of resilience, and that she, more than anyone, should understand the power of second chances. On the other hand, critics are sounding alarm bells. They question whether Tammy's girlfriend is a stabilizing force in her life, or another figure of chaos threatening to derail a hard-earned progress Tammy has made since her weight loss surgery. One fan wrote on Reddit, "I love Tammy, but this new girl gives me bad vibes. She's got a rap sheet longer than a CVS receipt. I just hope Tammy isn't getting herself into another toxic relationship." Others are less charitable, accusing the girlfriend of cloud chasing, using Tammy's fame as a platform to rewrite her own public image. "The mug shots don't lie," another fan posted. "She's trouble. And Tammy doesn't need more trouble, she needs peace and healing." The mug shots themselves, now immortalized across fan forums and gossip blogs, show a progression of a woman seemingly hardened over the years. One depicts her in her early 20s, wide-eyed and defiant. Another, more recent image, reveals a gaunt face and tired eyes, a haunting look that fans have likened to someone grappling with personal demons. Court records attached to the photos paint a more detailed narrative. Arrests related to substance abuse, alleged domestic incidents, and a probation violation that landed her briefly back in jail. Legal experts analyzing the documents online have pointed out that while many of the charges are misdemeanors, the frequency of arrests suggests a pattern of instability. In response to the frenzy, TLC has remained characteristically silent, neither confirming nor denying whether the girlfriend will appear in the upcoming season of 1000 LB Sisters. However, production insiders suggest that Tammy's relationship will be a central storyline in future episodes. One anonymous crew member hinted, "This is not just tabloid fodder. There's real tension, real drama." Tammy is trying to start over, and the people around her, especially her family, are very concerned. Indeed, those close to Tammy have reportedly raised alarms. Her sister, Amy Slayton, has not commented publicly but has made cryptic social media posts referencing the need to cut out toxic people and focus on family first. Some interpret these as subtle jabs toward Tammy's new relationship. Others believe Amy is simply worried, as any sister would be, about the emotional well-being of a loved one who has endured more than her fair share of heartbreak. Friends of the family say Tammy has remained fiercely defensive of her girlfriend, refusing to let judgmental outsiders dictate her choice. Tammy has always been a fighter, one friend said. She's not gonna let some old mugshots determine who she loves. But that doesn't mean the concerns aren't valid. Everyone just wants to see her happy and healthy. Beyond the headlines and viral photos lies a deeper, more uncomfortable question: what does redemption really look like in the public eye? Tammy's own journey has been a testament to the idea that people can change, grow, and overcome their worst moments. Can the same grace be extended to her girlfriend? Is it possible that the woman behind the mugshots is not the same person today? While internet sleuths pore over every detail of her past, examining arrest records, analyzing body language in photos, decoding vague TikToks, it's worth remembering that every person, including reality TV stars and their partners, lives a life beyond the lens. Tammy, for her part, seems committed to finding happiness on her own terms. In a recent live stream, she vaguely alluded to blocking out all the negativity and choosing love over fear, statements fans belie. They are references to the controversy surrounding her girlfriend. At the heart of this unfolding drama is a woman who has spent years fighting to survive, not just physically, but emotionally, mentally, and spiritually. Whether this relationship becomes another chapter in a long saga of disappointment or a redemptive love story remains to be seen. But one thing is certain: Tammy Slayton is not backing down. As the mugshots continue to circulate and internet debate intensifies, Tammy stands at a crossroads once more. With her fame greater than ever, her health journey still ongoing, and her romantic life under constant surveillance, every decision she makes now carries more weight than ever before. Whether this new love will uplift or undo her progress is something only time and future episodes will reveal. Until then, fans are watching, critics are speculating, and Tammy is living her truth, come what may. Thanks for watching this video and please subscribe our Beyond 1000 LB's YouTube channel for more update news.